Religious organization Youth Mission Pure Heart. The founder of the Youth Mission Pure Heart is Archbishop Tadeusz Kandrusevich. Our mission is a structural unit of the Minsk-Mogilev Archdiocese, and the main activity of which is social work among the young, needy and other vulnerable groups of the population of the Republic of Belarus. The mission is a religious organization established on a voluntary basis that carries out charitable activity in accordance with the principles of Christian charity and promotion of human values. Goals and objectives of the mission is to unite initiative and talented people, to be around those who need support and understanding, to open one's heart and to reach out to those in need, to preserve and revive what was created for centuries, to educate and be an example of those around us. We love to work. We value people. Church watches every person, healthy or sick, as a God's creation and takes care of dignity of a person. And it is very good that it starts with children, whose life is in the very beginning. These children must feel the care of the society and other people. Religious organization Youth Mission Pure Heart was created and registered with government as a legal entity on the 11th of November 2011. From the day of the registration, the organization Youth Mission Pure Heart in 2 years realized following projects. Ski race start of Pure Hearts. Ski race is held for children and young people registered with the police. The main purpose is to show young people that they can spend their free time beneficially and to show to the society that these children are not difficult teenagers, just kids who need attention. Festival Talents of Pure Hearts. The action is dedicated to the International Child Protection Day. The festival helps children to show their worth and share their talents. The festival is held in 3 stages. First stage, qualifying. The second stage, final concert. The third stage, a gala concert. They need attention, and for all the spectators, who are mostly regular parishioners, need such concerts to look at the world and own problems in another way. It's a kind of rehabilitation for everybody. The main purpose of the festival is to discover talents in children from orphanages, boarding schools and from correctional institutions. Gala concert is held at the Republican Scientific Practical Center of Pediatric Oncology, Hematology and Immunology in Borovlyany. Sports and Entertainment Festival Together We Are the Power. Summer Games of Pure Hearts. On the basis of Children's Health Camp Kupalinka in June 2013, our mission launched an annual sports festival for children on vacations jointly with the Frunze District Police Department of Minsk and with the support of the Educational Office of Frunze District. The purpose of the action is to unite children because different kids take part in the action: troubled teens, orphans, regular students. The Youth Mission Pure Heart are constantly searching partners for support in realization of our projects and further development. Together we can do more.